Hello, hello. Today I prepared Ukrainian dinner rolls with an Indian touch. So follow the procedure to get a perfect result. Combine sugar, yeast with milk, set it aside for 25 to 30 minutes. Measure all the ingredients as mentioned in my recipe. Add oil to the mixture, slowly incorporate flour and salt. अभी डो को ऐसे नीट करना जैसे कि स्ट्रगल का लास्ट डे हो because it needs so much efforts. Keep kneading the dough until it's soft. Once you see the dough is formed and tight, it's a red flag. The dough should be stretchy and sticky. Add oil, milk, and make it stretchy as much as possible. Then divide it into the equal size and roll it up. Keep it for 30 minutes until it rises properly, and then bake it on 220 degrees in a preheated oven for 35 to 30 minutes. Prepare a garlic oil जिसमें आप coriander ऐड करोगे instead of dill and parsley to give that Indian touch. बेटा इन रोल्स को खाना कब है? मम्मी के इस सवाल का जवाब कल मिलेगा जब आप आज फॉलो करेगा. दिस इज साक्षी साटी साइनिंग ऑफ.